By adding Amazon EC2 auto scaling to an application, you can add new instances to the application when needed and terminate them when no longer needed. So this is the approach of scaling. Okay. So when you create a auto scaling group, basically it's a logical group. Okay. So an auto scaling group contains a collection of EC2 instances that are treated as logical grouping for the purpose of automatic scaling and management. Okay, so when you create a group, you can set a minimum number of EC2 instances. The minimum capacity is the number of Amazon EC2 instances that launch immediately after you have created the auto scaling group. Okay, so when you are creating a group and launch instances, so minimum will be automatically minimum capacity is automatically uh, created. Okay, so in this example, the auto scaling group has the minimum capacity of one Amazon EC2 instance. Next, you can set the desired capacity at two Amazon EC2 instance. Even though your application needs a minimum of single Amazon EC2 instance, you can put the desired capacity. If you do not specify the desired number of Amazon EC2 instance in an auto scaling group, the desired capacity default to your minimum capacity. There in this example there are the 2 is the desired capacity but minimum is 1. If you are not setting the desired capacity, minimum will be the desired. Okay, the third configuration that you can set in an auto scaling group is the maximum capacity. For example, you might configure the auto scaling group to scale out in response to increased demand, but only the maximum of 4 Amazon EC2 instances, because Amazon EC2 auto scaling uses the Amazon EC2 instances. You just pay for only the instance you use. When you use them, you just pay. Okay, if you are using a maximum Amazon EC2 instances, like in this example there are 4 is the maximum, you have to pay the maximum EC2 instances. Okay, and now you have a cost effective architecture that provide the best customer experience while reducing experience. Okay, if we talk about the auto scaling components, so there are 3 components like logical group. You just create a logical group of the EC2 instances. Okay, now you just create a configuration templates. So basically your group uses a launch templates. So launch templates having a information like Amazon machine image ID, instance type, key pair, security group, and block device mapping for your instances. Okay, so basically, an auto scaling group also let you use Amazon EC2 auto scaling features such as health check replacement and scaling policies. Okay, so we will know further on this topic. Okay, more and more because it's a fundamental. So we are just know the terms. The next one is scaling options. The Amazon EC2 auto scaling provides several ways for you to scale your auto scaling groups. Like there are dynamic scaling, predictive scaling. So there are several ways. So that's all for the today lecture. We will see next load balancing, like elastic load balancing in next lecture. Thank you for watching.